guys, I'm here today with my lemonade box. My name's Fawn, this is my channel, and I tried to make it a happy place, and I hope you're all happy because we are rushing towards Christmas and it can be a difficult time for a lot of people. So if you just want to take 5 minutes out of your day and be with someone who generally, I'm one of those people, I'm always happy, then please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave me a comment. So it's Lemonade Box, and you know this is absolutely one of my favourites. But this month we got an email because they've had problems because of the second lockdown. So let me just read what it says. It came it is an email, it came via email, I mean honestly. So this email says, they've had a couple of little setbacks since the announcement of the second lockdown. One of which that was unavoidable was a delay in their usual printed leaflets and monthly missions. They didn't want to delay the delivery, so they sent the box anyway and just emailed us. So it says, if you've not got your box yet and want a surprise, please only open the attached once it has reached you, as the full contents is discussed. We sincerely hope you enjoy your November box and are sending all of our love. Kindest regards from Remy Shirastav and Kira Brown, who are the founders of the Lemonade Box. I hope I said that name right. Remy Shirastav and Kira Brown. Nice names. Anyway, so I've got to open it up and read the mission from my email first. You know, normally I get that little piece of paper, don't I? So the mission this month, it's November. Can you believe it? The year's gone so quickly, and it's definitely not being the easiest. There's no doubt that going into a second lockdown will be tough. It has been frustrating and lonely. That's why this month your mission is to stay as busy as possible, whether it's in the house or sensibly outside. Find something that you enjoy. Find multiple things you enjoy and do them often. Maybe you could start painting again, or maybe you could ride your bicycle for half an hour each day. You might even want to do productive things around the house, like organise that cluttered drawer in your kitchen or redecorate your bedroom. Whatever it is, try to keep your mind busy, and of course make sure it's making you feel good. It's important for us to be productive and to challenge ourselves, especially in times like these. Good luck, as always, we're rooting for you. I like that. I always like their missions. I like the fact that it just makes you stop for just that, even just for the time that you're reading it, and acknowledge that, yeah, maybe we are really struggling a little bit. Maybe life is a bit tough at the minute. So here we go with what's in the box, which is the most exciting bit. Looks exactly the same. It has their usual piece of writing on the top. Oh gosh, something smells amazing in there. I just got a waft. So let's go. What have we got? We have got a Skin Sapiens facial cleansing gel. I love a gel, as you know. Gently cleanse all skin types, even sensitive, with oats. It's got 14 ingredients, unperfumed and dermatologically tested. Vegan and natural origin. So if you're vegan, perfect. So what does it say? In need of something to add to your morning and or nightly skincare routine, we've got you covered. This little gem contains oat oil. Goodness me, I didn't know oats had oils. Oat oil, which gently cleanses the skin and washes away daily dirt. Full of natural ingredients. We're the first people to try it. You're the first people to try it. That's interesting, isn't it? So that's... Oh, and it actually smells quite nice. Happy to have it. And they say the value on that is $7.99, which, yeah, I would imagine it would be. Next up we have a body wash. I love body washes. I am never disappointed when I get a body wash in something, a soap or body wash, because I love my shower time. I wish I bathed more. Makes me sound like I'm dirty. But I shower a lot. So this one is by Odalique. I think that's how you say it, Odalique. And it is Ylang Ylang and Orange Wash, relaxing and for sensitive skin. It says it's an £11 value. You will have received one of 3 scents. So I have, as I said, the Ylang Ylang and Orange. There was also lavender and there was also lemongrass. I'm quite happy to have got lavender. Would have probably been my first choice, but let's have a sniff because I've been surprised by orange things in the past. Well, that is nice. It will get you going. That will wake you up of a morning. It will get that sort of going. So that's perfect. All three are creamy, moisturising and luxuriously enriched with organic extra virgin olive oil, which has terrific skin conditioning properties. Plus, oh here we go, biodynamic calendula herb to soothe. The skin balancing, gentle and calming. What's not to love, it says. And I agree. What's not to love? Love a shower gel. Next up, we have a kiwi eye serum by a company called KW. Is that right? Yeah. No, by Dr. Botanicals. Oh my God. Okay, so it's Kiwi Superfood Cooling Eye Serum by Dr. Botanicals. Value $14.90. Please get down. But, please get down. Sorry, guys. $14.90. Remember our spoiler? Of course you do. It was Kiwite Spectacular. It uses a blend of fruit extracts to improve the delicate area under your eye and contains kiwi fruit oil to maintain and lock in moisture. Grapefruit, one of its key ingredients, is fully packed with vitamin C and reduces the appearance of skin imperfections, fine lines and wrinkles. It's natural, suitable for vegans and protects the skin's complexion from environmental pollutants. We can't wait to hear your thoughts. I'm always up for any eye creams too. You know they're the bane of my life, these bags. I've actually got eye cream on. I've done everything this morning and look at them. They're still sitting there just poking fun at me. So this looks really, really good. I wonder, let me get my glasses. What does it say about apply in the morning and evening, use the ring finger for the lightest pressure? No, it doesn't really say anything. I was wondering whether this would be one that would be really, really good at the fridge. I love anything that's really cold. And it just sort of strikes me, because it's a cooling eye serum, would it become more cooling if it's been in the fridge? Bit of a battle to get it out of the box, but it's with a little dropper and pipette, you know, very sort of chemisty. So I'm going to see, I want to see, A, what it smells like, which is not a lot, just kind of clean, fresh, slightly herbally. And then I want to see, can you see it in there? And it is quite thick and very cooling. That one doesn't even need to go in the fridge. I can actually feel that. You know, like when you use one of those cool sprays? It's got that kind of thing going on in it. Yeah, that's nice. Happy with that. I always say that, don't I? Happy with that. And then we have an artisan soap bar by Skin Alchemists. Recommended retail price £10. It's a seasonal favourite, needless to say. This bad boy obviously smells gorgeous. And it does. But the real hero in this potion is sea moss extract sourced from the Caribbean island of St. Lucia. I've been to St. Lucia, it's beautiful. Sea moss contains a myriad of skin benefits and it's naturally rich in sulfur, which makes it anti-bac, antiviral and antimicrobial. This may help acne sufferers, particularly body acne. I call that bacne. I used to get terrible bacne. I still get a little bit of it, but I used to be plagued by bacne. A gentle lather and enjoy a calming cleanse. So it does, it smells, what does that smell of? I don't know, it's kind of zesty, kind of lemon, and I will definitely be giving that a go. It says it's enriched with coconut oil and cocoa butter. This affluent soap is not only luxurious but nourishing for your skin, with no two bars ever exactly the same, obviously. Happy with that, and as I say, that was £10. And then the last item, so this has been a real pamper box, this one so far, and this one is, whoops, wrapped in plastic, you know, bubble wrap, just to make sure it's safe. It's by a company called Fushi. Yeah, Fushi. Rose and Jasmine Body Lotion. Its value is £14. Winter is practically here, so it's very important to stay moisturised. That's why you've got this beauty in your hands. By combining pure fresh pressed oils and fresh ground herbs, this deeply nourishing moisturiser delivers velvety smooth skin. The soft, soulful and warm scents work together to relax the mind, providing the ultimate hydration and relaxation session. Suitable for all skin types and indulgent as ever. You just can't go wrong. I've got to have a sniff. Let's have a go. Oh gosh. Oh, we have a winner. This one smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to put a bit on the... I'm not using the pump. I've just pulled it out so I can... Ooh. Oh, and look at that. Boom. Straight into my skin. Admittedly, I suppose my skin might be quite dry at the minute, but... Oh, and that smells. Oh, so good. You get the subtle, soft, gentle rose, but then you get that kick of jasmine in behind it. That is fabulous. And that, if it performs, I mean, the backs of my hands feel lovely at the moment. They feel kind of cool and soft. I'm going to use it, obviously. And if that performs as beautifully as it smells, this one might be one that I would buy again for future use, because that is lovely. And I do love a pump action body cream. I know eventually you've got to turn it upside down and scoop the last bits out, but I do prefer that to anything squeezy, because I get greasy hands. You know, you're rubbing the cream in and then you're trying to squeeze the thing and the thing's So there we go. So this is a total body pamper box this month, the Lemonade box, because we have, right, where's to start? Okay, we have the shower gel. Yeah, shower wash. We have the facial cleansing gel. We have the eye cream, the soap for back, knee and any kind of breakouts you get, and then a beautifully soothing body lotion. You can see why this is one of my absolute all-time favourite boxes, because it's things you'll use. It's not just tiny little samples of odd bits of makeup and facial products that you just won't use. Those will all get used. So that was it. That was Lemonade box. This is the second video I filmed today. I did one a little bit earlier. And now I've finished. I've got to go and climb up in the loft with hubby and get all the Christmas decorations down, because I'm about to start decorating. I've rejigged my conservatory, which is so overloaded with furniture, ladies. I do not know what to do. I'm going to have to be ruthless with some bits of furniture in the new year, I think. But for the time being, it's just rejigging. So that I can make a space for my tree, and I'll show you. It's going to go here. I'm hoping that you can see it. There's my Santa on the wall. There we go. So hubby is pulling faces. He hates all of this. Hates it. So he's pulling faces and kind of like, can we get in the loft sooner rather than later? So I said, yes, of course we can. But I have to do these videos first. So I'm off to make my husband very unhappy. Okay, see you soon, guys. Bye.